Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile with a controller. First, make sure your controller is ready to go, either fully charged or with new batteries. Then, launch the game and head straight into the settings. You'll find a dedicated controller tab there. Next, activate Bluetooth on your phone or tablet and put your controller into its pairing mode. This initial setup is quick and easy, usually taking less than 1 minute. Once your controller is in pairing mode, your mobile device will show it in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Simply tap on your controller's name to connect. Call of Duty Mobile will then display a confirmation message, letting you know the connection is successful. Some controllers, like those for PlayStation or Xbox, require holding specific buttons to enter pairing mode. This ensures a smooth connection. After connecting, dive back into the controller settings within the game. Here, you can fully customize your button layouts, adjust aiming sensitivity, and even invert controls if you prefer. Take some time to experiment with different configurations to find what feels most comfortable and effective for your playstyle. You can choose from several preset options or create your own custom setup, giving you complete control. When playing with a controller, you'll generally be matched with other players using controllers, ensuring fair competition. While gameplay is fully supported, some menus or specific game modes might still require touch input. Spend some time in the training grounds to get a feel for the controls and refine your aim. Using a controller can offer a significant advantage in precision and comfort, making your Call of Duty Mobile experience even more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.